You're welcome back. You want to look at operation on sets. Now, if you cast your mind back to your normal class that we have in algebra, we deal with about 4 major operation signs. So we talk of addition, which is really done with the plus sign. Then we have subtraction with the minus sign. We have multiplication with this sign. And we have the division sign in this manner. So we're going to do or treat sets under all these operation signs. First off, let's start with the multiplication sign. So given that you have two sets and one is set A and the other it is set B, then you are asked to multiply the two. So you're going to have root A times root B. To be able to do this, what we do is that we extend the radical or the root sign to contain both A and B. When that happens, we're going to have root AB. So in real terms, assuming you are having a number like or certain sets like root 2 be multiplied by root 4, then it means that when we extend the radical sign, 2 is going to contain the radical sign is going to contain both 2 and 4, which will equate to root 8. But note that root 8 is not the simplest form, so it means that we have to go back to what we did earlier. When we do that, then it means that root 8 will definitely have the product of root 2 and that of root 4. If that's the case, then it means that what we're going to have is that root 2 we cannot do anything about, it's an irrational number, but that of root 4 is going to be 2. So this is going to be our final answer. Now in the case where you have another set where we have like root 5 times root 6, in this case, like we said, just extend the radical sign, then the two numbers will be contained, so at the end of the day you're going to have root 30. Note that none of the numbers or the product, the factors of 30 can have a perfect square, so it leaves the answer in this manner. Now again, if you have as an example root 6 by root let's say 7, good. Again, what we do is that we just extend the radical sign and multiply the two numbers. So here 6 by 7 should give us 42, and that should be the final answer. Now in the case where you have something like let's check this, you have something like root 3 by root 12. Note that when you have extended the radical sign, you are going to have root 36 under the root sign, or 36 under the root or radical sign. And note that over here root 36 is a perfect square. Note root 36 is a perfect square, so because of that, when you simplify you're going to get 6. So the emphasis is on the fact that if you have um, two sets where they are pure sets, where you can have, let's say, A and set B, whenever you are multiplying, the only thing you do is that just extend the root sign or the radical sign and put the sets inside them. So the A will multiply the B, so you're going to have AB, which will be covered under the radical sign, so root AB. I believe this is clear. Thank you.